Good evening to all. I am an Amla. I am an Nakshatra plant of Bharani. Bharani Nakshatra energy is like me. They are so the beginning, and when you eat, I turn speed. Same as I symbolizing life journey from initial zones to lasting sweetness. I am rich in vitamin C. I am zodiac sign of Aries. I remove negativity from home. I am a green in color. Thank you.
Namaste. Aham Swan. Aham Nakshatra bird of Punarpusam. Aham in white color. Aham vehicle of Saraswati. I have a special power that is can spill the water from milk. I am a Filton bird. I am a look very beautiful. I have a peaceful bird. I have a big footed bird. Thank you. Namaste to all. I am Marigold. I am Nakshatra flower of Ashwini. I am easy to grow. I am in orange, yellow and mixed color. I am in popular flower and bloom in winter season. I am people often use me for fall decorations. I am a symbol of happiness and prosperity. Thank you. Namaste to all. I am Peacock. I am the Nakshatra bird of Ritika. I am the national bird of India. I am symbolic beauty, elegance and variety in various culture. I am very beautiful bird. I love to dance in the rain. I eat grass, seeds and the little insects. I am king your best. Thank you.
Namaste to all. I am a drumstick. I am a Nakshatra vegetables of phylum. I am a zodiac of phylum. I am a highly valued for my medicinal properties in Ayurveda and Siddha. I am a superfood because my leaves, flowers, fruits, highly nutrition, rich in vitamin A, C, E and fiber. I repeat it, blood. Thank you.